boys and girls, Father Printmas here for another 3D printed soup, 3D printed advent calendar. This week I've been looking at baubles, or to put a more finer point on it, how to attach baubles to your Christmas tree. Now a lot of people use string or ribbon or shiny twine, but 3D printing allows you to create better things. Oh, Father Printmas is just choking on his own beard there. Excuse me. 3D printing allows you to create better things to attach baubles to your tree. In this case, bauble hooks. Now this wonderful maker right here has created these wonderful innovative bauble hooks. You attach the big hook to your tree and you'll see they have got a Christmas tree on this one and a beautifully wrapped gift on this one. And then you attach your bauble. In this case I shall use the flat packed Christmas tree we made a couple of days ago onto it. And you get wonderful, wonderful bauble hooks to attach to your conifer or fir. Or if you're a heathen, one of your fake plastic Christmas trees, but you'll pollute the environment and you shall go to 3D printing hell. But anyway, that's enough of my naughty list talk. These are beautiful. I have got a Christmas star here and a snowflake. How beautiful. Let's see if they work on a larger bauble. Just attach the bauble to the hook. In this case, the gyroscopic bauble we made last week. And you get these beautiful attachments. You can easily attach it to your Christmas tree. Whoops! Oh dear, I've dropped my bauble. One moment. Oh! Oh, dear me, Father Christmas is sat on his own baubles. And it's going to take more than a hook to get those back. Oh, wow! Merry Christmas, kids. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, jingle bells.